Hello everyone, my name is Anjanette and you may know me as Forsythia within the community. I am a community manager for Vigor and today we will be presenting our dev diary for update 12.1. Now this is a more minor update, but we still decided to have various members of our team explain more information about what's coming with update 12.1. So we hope that you get to sit back and enjoy watching it.
Hello everyone, I'm Pirit. I work as a producer on Vigor, and today I'm here to talk about what's new in update 12.1. There's actually a ton of exciting stuff, which is also why we decided to shoot this dev diary in the first place, because we usually do them only for the major updates and this is just a minor one. But before we get there, let's start with the usual stuff. So as always, we have a new legacy season. The trappers are already back in the wild, so you can look forward to all of the stuff that was available in Battle Pass Season 8. But apart from that, we also have a new premium pack, Expedition Absolution. Then, as we said last time, we are also still working on improving the challenges system, so you can actually look forward to over 100 more challenges, which is pretty impressive, I would say. And then, last but not least, we also have brand new report system, which is actually something you guys requested, and I can see why. So you can use it now, but make sure to use it wisely. So these were the big features, but we also introduced multiple quality of life changes. For example, the Elimination UI has been simplified and is much more user-friendly now. We also introduced a new game guide, so especially our new players should appreciate that. And last but not least, we made some changes to the shooting mechanics. That's about it for the new stuff. I will pass the word on to our developers and they will explain more about the new stuff.
Hello, my name is Miro. I am a designer and I will speak about the elimination changes. There are bonus score events that gives players extra points and they are now visible. For example, kills should give 50 points, capture the flag should give 250 points, and if your whole team survived, you get 500 points. We also made changes to the loadout screen. Players can now see how many in their team choose the same loadout. Aside from tickets, players can now break locked loadouts for crowns. There are also changes to the score table. It reflects score boost and the overall team score better. We also have an improved reward screen, and the players will get 1000 XPs for opening the elimination crate.
Hello, my name is Vladimir Hinek and I work on Vigor as a lead technical designer. With the new update, we have introduced an upgraded game guide. It features a lot of new content, including explanatory screenshots. It is now nicely separated into topics, so you can easily find any info about the gameplay, game modes and game mechanics.
Hello, I am Johnny Clarano, lead programmer on Vigor, and today we'll speak about many things. So the first thing we reworked in this update is the drop shooting. So going from standing to prone was, while shooting was giving an unfair advantage to players, and we decided to implement some countermeasure to that. The things we are doing is that now when transitioning between stances, you will have a malus to your weapon spread. So transitioning from standing to prone will increase the weapon spread. The second shooting mechanic we are changing is to allow shooting in the air. So now you will be able to jump and shoot at the same time. The reason for this is that we are nerfing drop shooting, but we still would like to give space for experienced players to have some advanced shooting mechanic. Shooting in the air is possible, but there is a modifier to your weapon spread, so it means that shooting in the air is less accurate than shooting from the ground. You may know that we have an increased issue with cheaters in Vigor. And in this update, we would like to tackle it in multiple ways. The first one is that we're introducing a new report system in the game. So after a match, you will be able to report players for cheating or general bad behavior. The second thing is that we've implemented a new system on our servers that will counter the effect of popular network manipulation exploits. Now I would like to speak about a long-standing issue we have on PlayStation since it launched. The problem was with local saves and every systems related to local saves, which is medals, titles, shooting range, loadout presets, you name it, there is many systems. So we've had an issue with these local saves resetting randomly for players, and that caused a lot of annoyance to all the systems I've just mentioned. In 12.1 we've completely refactored the save system on PlayStation so that it's now safe. It shouldn't reset saves anymore, and all the systems I've mentioned before will now perform as you expect them to. The last thing I would like to mention is the stagger rework. The team was never a big fan of the fact that we are completely removing the control over the character. The way the new stagger works is that now you will retain control over your character, but instead you will be granted with a few debuffs. The first one is that the weapon spread will be increased, your movement speed will be slower, and your vision will be blurry. Because the effect is now less powerful, we've decided to increase its duration, so it used to be 2 seconds and now it will be 3 seconds, but the effects and the debuffs will be scaling down with time. The last change on stagger is that now crouching won't protect you anymore against its effects.
Hi there, I'm Philip, Marketing and Brand Manager for Vigor, and I will tell you something about the new Premium Pack and the Booster Apocalypse events. The Double XP weekends got a little bit old, so we decided to bring a new event called Booster Apocalypse. This event comes in multiple versions, so we should keep an eye on 2 main things. What game mode is it for and how big the discount is. The event is available for encounters, shootout and also elimination. You can finally get your hands on the new premium pack called Expedition Absolution. This time it came a little bit later because we wanted to polish it to perfection. It's the best fusion of the military theme and the scientists from Absolution.
Alright, so that's it for our dev diary this time around. We hope you check out our website vigorgame.com for more information and news, and we'll see you in the Outlands.